We can very easily convert our 2-column layout into a 3-column layout. 3-column layouts are typically used for laptop and desktop screens. A 3-column layout will also work in a tablet's landscape mode if the screen resolution is more than or equal to 992 pixels, for example, an Apple iPad. In smaller devices, the columns will stack on top of each other as usual. Let's go ahead and add a 3rd column to our 2-column layout. We'll go ahead and copy this column's code. We'll change the background to BG1. Since we now need to split 12 columns among 3 rows, we need to adjust our values. We can create equal-sized columns by plugging in 4 by 4 by 4. So let's see what that gives us. We'll save the file and refresh the browser window. So we can see with 3 columns, when the viewport gets smaller, the columns stack on top of one another. We can also try different values as well. You can have a small first column, a large middle column. So 2 by 8 by 2. And that's what that looks like. And we'll try 3 by 7 by 2. So we can see that the first column is slightly larger now than the last column.